Hi makers, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create these super easy pumpkin coasters. Here's what you'll need: contrasting thread, a fabric pen, a seam ripper, scissors, pins, a ruler, batting, AGF linen, and the pumpkin template, which you can find the link in the description box below. Let's begin with cutting out the template and making sure you cut the outside ring of the pumpkin. Get a piece of linen large enough that once you fold it in half, you can fit your pumpkin template on top. Place the template on top and trace around it with your fabric pen. Carefully cut the shape out with your scissors. Grab the same template and cut along the dashed line. Get a piece of batting, place the pumpkin template on top, and trace around it with your fabric pen. Carefully cut the shape out from the batting with your scissors. On your two pieces of linen that you cut out already, use your ruler to measure a 1/2 inch on all four sides and mark them with your fabric pen. You use these marks as your guide to center the pumpkin template on top. Once centered, trace around the template with your fabric pen. On the pumpkin template, you'll see pieces numbered 1 through 6. Cut each one out, trace each piece in order on top of your linen fabric to create the shape of the pumpkin. Grab your other linen piece and align your batting with your guide marks. Sandwich all your pieces together and make sure to have your pumpkin tracings facing on top. Pin together and stitch away following along the tracings of your fabric. Have fun with the quilting. Besides using the straight stitch, I decided to change it up and use a zigzag stitch for the borders and the stem of the pumpkin. Once finished, iron the top to get rid of the fabric pen marks. Grab your seam ripper and carefully fray the edges. Be patient and make sure to be gentle with this process so you don't accidentally rip more threads than you need to. Finally, with your scissors, trim all the excess threads sticking out. And voila, you're finished! Enjoy putting these handmade coasters on your dinner table during the fall season.